We can track the changes in Scrooge through his changing reactions to the spirits. You may be an undigested bit of beef, a blot of mustard, a crumb of cheese, a fragment of underdone potato. There's more of gravy than of grave about you, whatever you are. At first, Scrooge still believes he is in control, and certainly doesn't feel like he has anything to learn from the spirit. Scrooge then made bold to inquire what business had brought him there. "Your welfare," said the ghost. Scrooge expressed himself much obliged, but could not help thinking that a night of unbroken rest would have been more conducive to that end. By the end of the visit, Scrooge attempts to diminish the light shining from the spirit. But though Scrooge pressed it down with all its force, he could not hide the light, which streamed from under it in an unbroken flood upon the ground. This suggests that Scrooge has been affected by what he's seen, but isn't ready to have a light shone on his character. However, he cannot put a stop to it. He's going to have to learn these lessons whether he likes it or not. Scrooge begins to show respect for the spirits. Scrooge entered timidly and hung his head before the spirit. He was not the dogged Scrooge he had been, and though the spirit's eyes were clear and kind, he did not like to meet them. "I am the ghost of Christmas present," said the spirit. "Look upon me." Scrooge reverently did so. To look upon reverently means to do so in a deeply respectful manner, and this, matched with the fact that his head is bowed, suggests he no longer feels in control. He is beginning to understand that he must learn from the spirits. By now, Scrooge is keen to hear the lessons of the spirits. "Ghosts of the future, I fear you more than any spectre I have seen. But as I know your purpose is to do me good, and as I hope to live to be another man from what I was, I am prepared to bear you company and do it with a thankful heart. Will you not speak to me?" Do you think that anybody can change? Why is it important to learn from other people? Who has had the biggest impact on your life? If you could meet one person to learn from, who would you choose and why? What do you think you could learn from that person?